Owners of Colt and Colt clones by Uberti and Pietta and others that regularly take their guns apart and put them back together and maintain them have a complaint about the screws, especially on the Italian models, being soft and easily boogered up. And they were looking for something that would work better and hold up better and easier to take in and out. And one of the things they wanted to try to do is use a socket head screw, but unfortunately there's no manufacturer makes one that's the same dimensions that's a direct replacement for the factory screw. But you can obtain a 836 screw with a socket head by going to your hardware store or industrial supply place or even on eBay. I was able to buy 25 of these. They're stainless steel on eBay for $8 delivered. So that's a considerable price, less price than paying $4 a piece in shipping or something from Taylor's or from EMF or from Cimarron or some other parts place. But the problem is that the head is too large, and these are the dimensions of the factory screw and the dimensions of the larger socket head screw. So how did I modify these? I started by shortening the length to from 522 to 470. I came in on the back side and ground the back side of the screw head to reduce the height and undercut it a little bit, so because the threads would be going there to the root diameter of the threads to the 105 height, and then reduce the diameter to 206. And it seemed to work. The Allen wrench is 9/64, by the way.